Hi everyone, today we bring the ESP32-P4 all-in-one starter kit. It integrates 16 common sensors like temperature and humidity ones, plus a 7-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen, 2 MP camera and dual speakers. Next, we'll first show the functional module diagram, then connect it to a computer via USB-C, no soldering needed, ready to use right out of the box. This kit is an excellent choice for learning embedded development and AI applications. It supports C/C++ programming and offers over 20 progressive courses from easy to advanced, covering sensor basics, voice AI, computer vision, and more. It also comes with video tutorials and rich examples like touch button toggle, PWM servo control, and ultrasonic distance display, helping users quickly master ESP32 chip system knowledge, sensor communication principles, and simple AI projects. In the programming demonstration, we'll compile code using VS Code, paired with Espressif's official ESP-IDF open-source development framework, which allows developers full hardware control for professional-grade embedded programming. Specifically, start by connecting the ESP32-P4 kit to the computer via a USB-C cable. Next, configure the programming environment by verifying the ESP-IDF environment, ESP32-P4 chip model, and programming serial port number COM0X. Proceed to the core configuration in SDK config. Upon entering the settings interface, configure parameters under Partition Table, search for BSB to set the LED pin, search for Make Experimental Features Visible, and check the corresponding option. Then search for ESP PSRAM and set it to 200 MHz. Click the Save button. Subsequently, in the shortcut toolbar at the bottom of VS Code, first click the Building Project icon. The system will sequentially perform code syntax checking, preprocessing, compilation, and linking to convert the source code into executable firmware. Real-time progress can be monitored in the terminal window at the bottom until compilation is completed. After successful compilation, click the Flash Device icon. The system will automatically write the firmware to the kit's flash memory via the serial port. A progress bar will be displayed in the terminal during the flashing process, and upon completion, the terminal will explicitly output the success prompt, Flash Done. Finally, observe the operating status of the ESP32-P4 kit. The ESP32-P4 kit is ideal for IoT beginner students, teachers engaged in smart education, makers seeking creative projects, and hardware engineers. It makes embedded development and AI learning simple and efficient.